Okay, gonna do a walk around this 51 Chevy truck, 3100. Got a 79 Camaro subframe, power steering, power brakes. The motor and trans as well out of the Camaro. Small block Chevy 305, 3-speed transmission. Truck has tinted windows, good windows. Vintage air, blows cold. These trucks just have the right look. This truck right here is really solid truck. If a guy wanted to really do the body work and paint it, you can see the metal is nice. Not perfect by any means, but it is a candidate for a real nice paint job. I kind of like it in this bare metal, flat black, Ratrod style. Truck runs and drives really good, starts up good, fires up. It's got working signals, brake lights, headlights, new wiring harness. Windshield wipers work. Take a look at the interior. It's got a bench seat out of a Silverado, I believe. And some Dolphin gauges, all hooked up and work. Fire that up. Does start up nice, drives down the road good. Good cruising truck. Off the hood here. Get a glance under the hood. That's just a little small block Chevy. Power booster for the brakes. Good radiator. Vintage air. Smooth sounding running motor. Only couple things that I've seen on this truck. This door, the handle right here, the mechanism is stripped, so it either need a new regulator or a guy can probably fix that and get that to work again. The driver's door, really got to slam it for it to latch. I've been slamming it and then hitting the lock right there. It also blows just a little bit of smoke when you first start it up, and it does leak a little bit of oil. But runs good down the road. Love it this time of year to have something with air conditioning. There you have it.